Good morning, people. I heard there's going to be an emergency alert today. It's supposed to be about a superweapon from North Korea. My sources say it will bring about the end of the world in the wrong hands. And we all know it is obviously in the wrong hands. And the alert's about to start.
Your normal programming has been interrupted by the emergency alert system. North Korea has sent a superweapon to the United States of America. We advise you go to your own shelter. People outside will be euthanized, for there is no hope for them. The symptoms of this virus is coughing, sweating, extreme diarrhea, nausea and headaches. If anyone in your home has these symptoms, they should be euthanized immediately. We wish the best for you families.
That's weird. I already felt a little... Sorry. Cruddy. Anyway. Now with the... weather. Is that blood?
We are currently experiencing technical difficulties. We are currently experiencing technical difficulties. We are currently experiencing technical difficulties.